for this quick effect, I'm going to show you how to create this type of omni diffusion. I know most of you know how to do this omni diffusion effect, but today I'm going to add something to it to give it some style or some looks. So all you have to do is just create your new adjustment layer. So this is my adjustment layer. Now search for omni diffusion. So with the omni diffusion, you can choose the direction you want, right, up, down. So let's just go for the right. I'll make a keyframe at the start, move to the end, and I'm going to adjust this value. So I'll go for a value like this. You can try and adjust your keyframes so ease them. So with this, most of you end up here just with this, and there's a whole lot you can do. So if you're having the Universe plugin, you have this effect called holometrics too. So Universe holometrics, just add it to the adjustment layer with the omni diffusion, and you can see from here we are adding some touch to this. So you can actually add this effect to this to customize your omni diffusion. All you can do is to go to your choose preset or open your dashboard. So if you're having the red giant dashboard, you have this preset here. You can apply any of them, so you can see. So look at this preset. You can go through the presets. You can just go through the preset and choose the one which looks best for you. So I'll just apply the default, and the only thing I can do now here is just go to the effect, and I'll just go to color brightness settings. Then I can choose the color I want. So with this, I can go for this type of color, and I can also go back and change the settings, and you can see keyframes here. So I can just hit on the keyframe, go to this side and change the color to a different color. You can go to the beginning, you can also change the color to another color, and so just give you that look. And with this, you have a whole lot of settings here. You can turn some on, you can disable some, you can enable the strobe to give you that strobe like look. So if I turn off the holometrics, this is what you have. And adding this to the video actually makes this looks different from the normal black and white. So just try your hands on them and give your video a good touch. Okay, so for the next effect, I'm going to show you how to use circle marks to actually make a transition from one video to the other. So this is my video here, and I want to transition to this video. So now create a new solid. So for the solid, you can choose any color you want. So I'll go for a color like this. I hit on OK. I'll recompose my solid, add a circle. So if you're having the Sapphire plugin installed, you'll get this circle wipe. So just select that and make sure it's on in. Then you're going to set it to 100, and I'm going to make a keyframe and hit U to reveal your keyframes. About to get to this side here, and we're going to set it to 0%. Now highlight your keyframe is ease, go to your graph, and we're going to make a graph like this. This is what we have now, and all you have to do again is just add the same effect. So I'll just add the circle, we'll duplicate it again, and this time around go to circle out, make sure it's on 0, make a keyframe, move in time, and set it to 100. So you can see all we need to do is just adjust our graph and our keyframe. So hit U to reveal your keyframes and send this. Now highlight your keyframes, easy ease. and go to your graph. You can make this graph like this. So you can make a graph like this. This is what you can actually do with this. All you need to do is just add your timing to your graphs and your if you want it to be fast, all you have to do is just bring your keyframes together. And now since we made this a pre-comp, so all you have to do is just go inside the pre-comp, and with this solid we're going to add some texture here. So I'll just go for the emboss. So you can use this as a texture. And now let's go back to our comp. We updated this using this texture here. And what we can do is, for the first one, we can go inside the border here and make sure. So let's go to the second wipe, just go to border and make sure it's on. So you can see we can have a border here. We can change the color, we can shift the border, you can even add glow, to it. So now let's add some color here. So I'll go for something yellowish like this. And I can add some small softness to this. And for the first one, I can also go to the border here and increase the border. So you can see I can increase the border from here. You can choose any color. So all we need to do now is just go into the pre-comp and go to load. So with the preset, you can choose any type of preset you want desire. So you can go for this or the hawk bean, you can go for this or this. So you can try your hands on the preset here, and I'll go for the hawk and I'll just change the color. So you can see we're getting something like this. All we can do now is just recompose this, and we'll add a shadow. Add shadow. You can also add deep glow. Also add deep glow to this to finalize this. I'll also be going live today, so make sure you join my live and I'll be happy to see you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.